everyone, welcome to Peduli Ilmu official YouTube channel. First thing first, I will introduce myself. My name is Zahra and here we are going to learn English together. Our first material called How Do You Do? Okay, so what we are going to learn? The first one is introducing oneself or introducing yourself. The second one is greeting people, and then saying thank you, expressing sympathy, saying goodbye, and saying sorry. Okay, the first one is introducing oneself or introducing yourself. Here we have an example. This is a conversation between two people. The first one is a man wearing blue shirt and the second one is a man wearing green shirt. The conversation is, "Hello, my name is Tejo." And "Hi, I'm Jamal. Nice to meet you, Mr. Jamal. Nice to meet you, Mr. Tejo." Okay, so pay attention to the explanation below and read carefully. The first one, when you meet a new friend, you can say hi or hello. And when you introduce yourself, you can say hi and you can say your name like, "Hi, I'm Zahra," like that. Or "Hello, I'm Zahra," like that. And you can also say, "Hi, my name is Zahra," or "Hello, my name is Zahra." To answer someone when they introduce themselves, you can say, "How do you do? Nice to meet you," or "Glad to meet you." And then she or he can answer, "How do you do?" with "How do you do?" also. And "Nice to meet you" with "Nice to meet you too." And "Glad to meet you" with "Glad to meet you too. Next one. Okay, the next one is greeting people. Ini ada beberapa gambar mengenai cara menyapa seseorang. They are good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Okay, pay attention to the explanation below. The first one, when you meet someone in the morning, you can say good morning. And when you meet someone in the afternoon, you can say good afternoon. When you meet someone in the evening, you can say good evening. And when you want to go bed at night, you can say good night. Oke, dan di bawah ini ada beberapa vocabulary yang menerangkan tentang kapan kita bisa menggunakan good morning, kapan kita bisa menggunakan good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Nah, kita dapat menggunakan good morning pada saat pagi, dimulai pada pukul 12 malam hingga 12 siang. Dan kita dapat menggunakan good afternoon atau selamat siang pada jam 12 siang sampai jam 6 sore. Lalu, kita dapat menggunakan good evening or selamat malam pada jam 6 sore hingga jam 12 malam. Dan kita menggunakan good night untuk mengucapkan kepada seseorang ketika kita ingin tidur atau ketika seseorang akan tidur. The next one is how to say thank you. We have a conversation here. This is Eddie and this is Togar. "Hello Eddie." "Hi Togar, how are you?" And Eddie answered, "I'm fine, thank you. And you?" And Togar said, "I'm fine too." Okay, the next one we have dialogue 1. Di sini kita ada gambar tentang laki-laki dan perempuan. Si laki-laki ini sedang menolong anak perempuan yang jatuh dari sepeda. And then anak perempuan ini mengatakan, "Thank you, Amir." And Amir said, "You're welcome." And then dialogue 2. Ini adalah seorang ayah dan anaknya ya. Si anak mengucapkan kepada ayahnya, Happy Father's Day, Dad." Dan si ayah menjawab dengan, "Thank you, Rini." And then dialogue 3. Di sini ada dua bapak-bapak yang sedang bersalaman. Dan bapak pertama mengucapkan, "Congratulations, Mr. Amran." Dan dijawab oleh bapak-bapak kedua, "Thank you, Mr. Imam." Dialog keempat. Di sini ada gambar ibu-ibu dan anaknya yang kalau kita bisa lihat di sini ibunya itu memberi pujian kepada anaknya. "You look beautiful, Annie." And Annie answered, "Thank you, Mom." Nah, pay attention to the explanation below. The first one is when someone asking how are you, you can answer with I'm fine, thank you, or I'm fine, thanks. And when someone cares about you, you can say thank you. And when someone helps you, you can say thank you. When someone praise you, you can say thank you. Jadi ucapan thank you itu bisa digunakan ketika seseorang menanyakan bagaimana kabarmu, atau seseorang yang peduli terhadapmu, dan seseorang yang membantumu, lalu seseorang yang memberi pujian terhadap kamu. Kamu bisa menggunakan thank you untuk percakapan-percakapan tersebut. Next, the next material is expressing sympathy. Nah, we have a conversation here. Lucy said, "Hi Sari, what's the matter with you?" And Sari answered with, "I have a toothache." Dia lagi sakit gigi. And Lucy answered with, "Oh, it's bad." Oh, itu adalah sesuatu yang buruk. You should go to a dentist. Kamu harus segera pergi ke dokter gigi. And then Sari answered with, "Thank you, Lucy." Okay, so the explanation for expressing sympathy is the first one. To express sympathy, you can say, "What's the matter?" What's the matter? What's the matter is when you meet someone, atau kalian bertemu dengan seseorang yang sedang mengalami suatu kejadian, atau mereka sedang mengalami kesulitan. Nah, kita bertanya kepada mereka, "What's the matter?" Apa yang terjadi? Gitu. Yang kedua, "What's wrong?" What's wrong juga digunakan ketika kita bertemu seseorang yang sedang menghadapi suatu kesulitan. Jadi what's wrong itu artinya apakah ada yang salah gitu. Dan yang terakhir adalah are you okay? Apakah kamu baik-baik saja? Kayak gitu. Then the second one, when someone is in bad condition, you can say sorry to hear that, or get well soon, or take a rest. Jadi kalau misal kalian lagi menjenguk seseorang nih, seseorang itu lagi sakit dan kalian menjenguk. Nah, kalian bisa menggunakan sorry to hear that, or get well soon, or take a rest gitu. Itu artinya kayak cepat sembuh ya gitu. And then the third one, you can reply with thank you or thank you for your attention. Jadi kalau ada seseorang yang express sympathy to you, you can answer with thank you or thank you for your attention. Terima kasih atau terima kasih atas perhatianmu gitu. Dan yang terakhir, when someone is in a good condition, atau seseorang yang lagi dalam kondisi baik, you can say glad to hear that, or it's nice, it's good, or congratulations. Okay, and there are some vocabularies kayak tadi yang udah saya beritahu di waktu sebelumnya. What's the matter? Itu artinya kayak ada apa nih gitu. And what's wrong? Itu kayak ada masalah apa gitu. Are you okay? Apakah kamu baik-baik saja? Sorry to hear that. Sedih mendengarnya gitu. Aku sedih juga dengarnya gitu. Glad to hear that. Aku juga senang mendengarnya gitu. And get well soon. Semoga cepat sembuh. Thanks for your attention. Terima kasih atas perhatiannya. Take a rest. Take a rest itu beristirahatlah gitu. Semoga cepat sembuh. And we have headache and toothache. Headache itu adalah sakit kepala, pusing gitu headache. And then toothache is sakit gigi. Next one is how to say goodbye. Okay, we have a picture here. It's a mom and her kid. The mom mungkin mau pergi kemana gitu, and then she said to anaknya, "Goodbye Andi," dan Andi menjawab, "Goodbye mother, take care." Gitu. Okay, pay attention to the explanation below. When we leave someone, we can say goodbye or see you. And when we want to end conversation, we can say goodbye. Goodbye itu artinya selamat tinggal, and take care itu hati-hati. Kalau see you itu artinya adalah jumpa lagi gitu. And then the next one is how to say sorry. Oke, di sini ada gambar. Ini mungkin seorang guru dan muridnya. Gurunya mengucapkan it's too late, dan si murid menjawab I'm sorry sir, I'm late gitu. Terus gurunya okay, please come on time next time. Tolong besok lagi jangan terlambat. Dan si muridnya menjawab I know sir, I promise not to be late again. Aku tahu Pak, aku berjanji aku tidak akan telat lagi gitu. Okay, pay attention to the explanation. When you make a mistake, you have to say sorry. Ketika kamu melakukan suatu kesalahan atau kamu melakukan suatu kesalahan, you have to say sorry, atau kamu harus meminta maaf kepada orang tersebut. Nah, selanjutnya kita ada vocabularies. I'm sorry itu artinya maafkan saya, I promise itu saya berjanji, and late itu terlambat, next time lain waktu, broke itu memecahkan, fix itu membetulkan, and window is jendela. Okay, maybe that's all our material today. Thank you for your attention and see you.